Hello viewers, today we are going to discuss about calculation of non-interference dilution, calculation of NID. This is also one of the important topic for BET method validation. So don't skip the video, watch until the end. If you want this video in readable format, it is available in my LinkedIn page. I will provide the link in description. Welcome to Pharing, a channel of pharmaceuticals. I am your Shaktivel. Drug products, medical devices are manufactured with API, excipients, preservative, and etc. While performing BET, some substances from this raw material can interface with the reaction and leads to provide false negative result. pH modifiers, protein, glucans, heavy metals, and nanoparticles are the example of interference in the product. In case the sample was tested without performing dilution, these interfering components can affect the detection of endotoxin. We know that before performing the BET, the sample should be diluted based on the maximum valid dilution. The difference between MVD and NID is very small. MVD is the maximum dilution of the sample which is suitable for analysis. NID refers to the identifying lowest dilution within the MVD that reduce the interference and enable to test the accurate endotoxin from the sample. In simply, how can we say MVD is the maximum dilution allowed to detect the endotoxin, but NID is the minimum dilution to remove the interference from the sample. Now let's discuss this topic with a simple example. Product name thymine hydrochloride injection 100 mg per ml. In our past two videos also, endotoxin limit and maximum valid dilution, we are discussing with this product only, because if we discuss with the same product, we can get better understanding and clear concept. So we already discussed about this product maximum valid dilution 11,200. If anyone missed previous video, I will provide the link in description. Please watch it. NID refers to finding a suitable dilution to reduce the interference within the MVD. That means 11,200 is the maximum dilution. Within this 11,200, which dilution is suitable for analysis, such as 800 or 500 or 600 or 650, which dilution is suitable for analysis. For that purpose only, we need to perform NID, non-interference dilution. In bacterial endotoxin test, this NID was determined by two-fold dilution test, like MVD by 64, MVD by 32, MVD by 16, MVD by 8, MVD by 4, MVD by 2, and MVD. MVD by 64 means MVD 11,200. So 11,200 divided by 64 is equal to 175. The product need to be dilute 175 times with the help of endotoxin free water. That is a one sample tube. MVD by 32 is the same. 11,200 divided by 32 is equal to 350. The sample need to be dilute 350 times with the help of endotoxin free water. The same procedure follow up to MVD by 2 MVD. I explain one example for sample preparation. MVD by 64 means 175 times we need to dilute. So take the raw sample and 0.1 ml sample plus 0.9 ml endotoxin free water. Then the sample was diluted 10 times. Again take 0.1 ml from previous tube and add 1.65 ml endotoxin free water. Now 17.5 times dilution. Total 175 times our product will be diluted. Same like we need to prepare the all sample up to MVD, means 7 tubes. Now we have a same product with a different dilution of 7 tubes. So this is our sample. Now transfer the all samples individually to the individual test tubes, 50 ml. Then the same amount of endotoxin also added. Finally 100 ml lysate added into the tubes and kept into the incubation 37 degrees Celsius. I explained this process in within 20 to 30 seconds, but it is a very big sample preparation. Why 50 ml sample was taken? What is the concentration of 50 ml endotoxin? So many questions and so many doubts was arrived in this section. We will discuss briefly in BET method validation. So this video is mainly focused for the concept of NID. Determination of NID mainly focus the product positive control. Means now we prepared the all sample tubes. It contains endotoxin, sample and lysate. This is a product positive control tube. After completion of sample preparation, all tubes are kept under the temperature 37 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. After completion of 1 hour, the result was observed. For example, MVD by 32, while we inverted the tube, no gel clot formation, and MVD by 16, no gel clot formation. If MVD by 8, the gel was formed, the clot was observed, means this is a border, this is a non-interferent dilution. Means from this dilution onwards, the analysis can be performed to detect the endotoxin. In MVD by 32, in MVD by 16, the interference component react with the endotoxin and halt the gel formation. In MVD by 8 is a suitable dilution for detection of endotoxin. So MVD by 8 is a non-interference dilution. For as a safer side, MVD by 4 is a best one for sample preparation for the routine analysis. So finally, how in document concluded this NID, the NID limit MVD by 8, but the sample test dilution for routine analysis MVD by 4 is a safer side. MVD by 4 means 11,200 divided by 4 is equal to 2,800. So 2,800 times we need to dilute the sample for routine sample analysis. So this is a way to identify the non-interference dilution in BET. And one more thing, I don't know what is the exact NID limit for thymine hydrochloride injection. I provided just for an example. And in our next video, we will discuss about lysate level claim sensitivity. In this video, we will discuss about how to prepare the standard curve, what is 50-50 method and what is hot spike method, and what is 4 lambda, 2 lambda. So don't miss these all videos. So if you like this video, please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon for future videos.